How to turn off filter all comments on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off filter all comments on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find the settings and privacy, and then just click privacy and scroll down. Here you will find comments, click on it, and here you will find filter all comments. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click, and as you see, filter all comments have been turned off. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.